Hi, my name is Mary Kalenda and welcome to your 7-minute, 7 days chair yoga journey. This is day 2 and it's called Just Breathe. As you probably can imagine, it's all about breathing today. So we're doing a few breathing techniques, but also in the end, we're going to connect our breath with our movement. If you'd like to see more in the future, please support my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Let's get started. Let's get comfortable and at the same time, let's embrace alignment. So stack your knees hip width distance on top of your ankles. Scooch back into your chair. Now embrace your core muscles, so pull your belly button in toward your spine, knit your ribcage in. At the same time, open up your chest. So what helps me here is to breathe in, lift up your shoulders. Exhale, loop your shoulders away and down your back. So this helps you to open up your heart, and already we're feeling more lengthened up in our spine and open in our chest. Now our prana tube can function even better, opening up our energy channels. So prana means breath, vital life force. Just an FYI. Now if you'd like to, you can close your eyes or soften your gaze. And just notice your breath here. Just breathe. Maybe it's a little choppy or slower or faster. And now let's find 3 cleansing breaths. So take a deep full breath into your belly. Expand your lungs. Open mouth, exhale. 2 more times. Breathe into your core, expand. And side out through your mouth. 1 more time. Deep full inhale. And big exhale through your mouth. 1 last time. Come back to your normal breathing. Slowly calm your nervous system down using the power of your breath. And slowly open your eyes if you have closed them. Now we're exploring our 3-part breathing pranayama. So bring your hands to your belly. And when you breathe in, first bring it into your belly. So inhale. This is your first part. Second part, bring more air into your ribcage. And last is your chest. And when you exhale, let your chest collapse first, then your ribcage, your belly goes last. Okay, let's do this together. Inhale into your belly, into your ribcage, into your chest. And then when you exhale, slowly let the air come out of your chest, your ribcage, and your belly last. Do 2 more on your own. Great, when you're finished, now let's connect with our prana mudra. So extend your index finger and your middle finger and press your thumb into your ring finger and pinky on both sides, just like that. Rest your hands down, and this mudra is supposed to help you, of course, with breathing, but also with energizing and improving your immune system and your vision of your eyes. Supposed to. So become loose in your arms and hands. This time we're finding our Ujjayi breath, and I'm sure you've heard of that breath before. Sometimes it gets interpreted as the Darth Vader breath, however, it doesn't have to be that way. You don't have to breathe through your nose always audibly. It becomes sometimes very gentle, especially when you practice yoga. You can't always breathe like however, it is the idea to become more present in your body, but also creating heat in your body. So seal your lips, find your mudra, breathe in through your nose, and then constrict the muscles in the back of your throat as you breathe out. So almost like you're fogging up a mirror. And do this a few more times on your own. And over time, if you can embrace the Samavriti Pranayama, where your inhales are matching the length of your exhales. Sometimes you can count down from 4 or any number that serves you best. You can close your eyes just for a moment and feel. Do 2 more cycles. And slowly come back to your normal breathing. Now let's connect our breath with our movement. So inhale, mountain pose, reach your arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart. 2 more times. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hands back to your heart. 1 more time. Inhale, breathe. And lift. Exhale, bring it back to your heart. Nice, let's add on. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Dangle here for a moment. And slowly roll yourself back up. Hands to your heart. Take 1 more conscious breath in. Then a big breath out. Namaste.